Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the MOSWAG 6.35mm TRS male to XLR female cable, specifically the 3.3-foot version. This cable serves as a crucial link for connecting various pieces of audio equipment, bridging the gap between devices with 1/4-inch outputs and those with XLR inputs, such as linking a mixer to a powered speaker or an electronic keyboard to a microphone input on an interface. The construction of this MOSWAG cable is a key highlight. It features a durable and flexible nylon braided exterior, designed to withstand wear and tear while remaining easy to handle. Beneath the braiding, the cable utilizes oxygen-free copper conductors, which are preferred for their conductivity and resistance to corrosion, contributing to better signal flow. The connectors themselves are built with quality in mind. The 1/4-inch male and XLR female ends feature 24K silver-plated connectors housed in sturdy aluminum alloy shells. The contact points within the connectors are gold-plated, a common practice to ensure excellent signal transfer and minimize oxidation, which can degrade sound quality over time. To combat external interference, the cable is constructed with multiple layers of shielding. This multi-layer approach helps to keep unwanted noise out, ensuring the audio signal transmitted remains clean and stable. The design of the connector ports is noted for providing a smooth, secure connection that isn't prone to accidentally disconnecting during use. The cable is presented as a simple plug-and-play solution, requiring no complex setup. It's designed to transmit stereo sound effectively, aiming for high-quality audio reproduction and clarity. Compatibility is broad. It's intended for use with a wide array of audio gear, including mixers, amplifiers, dynamic microphones, electronic pianos, CD players, karaoke machines, and studio equipment like harmonizers and equalizers. This particular model is the 3.3-foot length, offering a compact connection solution. When you purchase this product, you receive one of these nylon braided cables, and the brand highlights their commitment to after-sale service should any issues arise. Overall, the MOSWAG 1/4-inch to XLR cable appears to be a well-constructed, versatile option for anyone needing reliable audio connections in their setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.